Hi, this is John with SentientLight.com. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. Let's get started with our new tutorial on how to download and use the audio function generator. We are now looking at the screen of my iPad, and I have the App Store app on the top of the screen here. Click the App Store and type in function generator. You're going to see a whole bunch of apps pop up, and the first one we see is the audio function generator, and that's the one we want. Because I've already downloaded the app, it says open. I'm going to go back and show you how to download and sign up for the pro version. Okay, so now I'm back and have the screen as though I had never downloaded it. Scroll up to audio function generator. We're going to click on get. The notification to install will come up and you'll push install. And it just takes a couple seconds, a minute. Once it is downloaded, the app will show up on your front screen. Touch the app button to open it up, and it's going to ask you if you want the pro version. And I would recommend the pro version. It's only $2, and the pro version will give you the option to do or to play multiple frequencies at one time. It takes a couple seconds to install the pro version. Once we're all set up, we're going to go to the settings tab on the very bottom. This is a really important step because we're going to set parameters on how high and how low we want the frequencies to go. So we're going to type in 7 for the minimum frequency, and the max frequency we're going to type in 2500. The coil was designed and engineered to be more effective in these ranges between 7 and 2500. Below the max frequency is max sweep time, and we're going to type in 300 for 300 seconds, and that's the equivalent of 5 minutes. Below max sweep time is max amplitude, and you can see I'm playing around with it, and we want to set that at 95. This is really important to note. The max amplitude, when it's set to 95, the master volume and the other amplitudes that you can set on the individual frequency won't go above 95%. And this is good because it avoids overheating the device and the coils. Now we're ready to play frequencies. Let's go on to the next step on how to do that. You're going to touch the tab that says multi-tone on the bottom. This page will give you more options to add more frequencies. So you start out with one frequency, and it has the 20 Hertz frequency, and then next to it on the very right side of that frequency, it has 3 lines. And when you touch this, it brings down the option to change this frequency. So I'm going to change it to 7 Hertz or 7.3 Hertz, let's do. And above that, you can change the different waveforms. But we're going to keep it on square wave just because it's the best wave for healing and debilitating pathogens. Now to add another frequency, you're going to push the button Add Row. And again, we'll do the same thing we did with the first frequency. We'll hit the 3 line button, and then we'll go down and we can change the frequency to exactly what we want. Now I'm going to keep on going and add some more frequencies that I'm going to use the most. I love using 23.5, 20, 50, 306, 302. I want to show you something really cool that we can do here, and it's called the sweep. Right above where you can choose your waveforms, you see this bar, and it says generator, sweep, presets, and noise, and we want to choose sweep. Okay, things are going to change up a little bit, but I want you to look at set sweep start and then set sweep stop. Wow, that is a tongue twister. And then to change the start and stop, we need to put in the frequency that we want to start with and then hit set sweep start. And then you put in your frequency that you want to end with, and then you'll hit the set sweep stop. And then if you wanted to repeat, hit that middle button that I'm hitting now, and that will repeat it after 5 minutes. It will keep going from 7 Hertz to 150 Hertz for 5 minutes. As you can see, our sweep time only goes up to 300 seconds because that's what we put in our parameters in the settings tab. So let's try this. Let's try this sweep. I'll push play. I'm not going to go through the whole sweep, but I'd like to try multiple frequencies at one time. So I'm going to push the 20, the 7, the 306. I know I've said this in another video, when you push play and you can hear it, and this is a good way to test it before you plug it into the device, just to make sure that your device is working. Also remember that the master volume is important. We get a lot of problems where this is turned all the way down and their amplitude is turned all the way up for the individual frequencies, and they're wondering why it doesn't work. Make sure to check your master volume, and as you notice, when we scrolled it all the way up, it went to 95 and not 100% because we put that in our parameters, that we put that in the settings. Please be careful on running it on high volumes. Most PEMF therapy sessions will be between 33 and 55. We hope that this video was helpful and hope that you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. We are working really hard on getting more videos out to you. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.